Hello friends, welcome back to Edupedia Word Videos. This is the second video of the topic Area under Circles. The video will be covering sector and segment of a circle. Friends, if we have a circle with center O, then what is a sector? Sector is portion of the circle enclosed by two radii. Say we have one radii as OA and other as OC. Then the portion enclosed by these radii, that is this portion, will be the sector of the circle. Portion of a circle enclosed by two radii and corresponding arc. Now the arc is denoted by this arc is AC, denoted by this curl over it. This shaded sector is the minor sector, whereas this sector will be the major sector. Similarly, AC, this arc will be the minor arc and this arc will be the major arc. Now you can see clearly that if this angle, the angle AOC is theta, then the angle of major sector will be 360 degree minus theta. Why so? Because this whole angle is 360 degree. Now if we join these 2 points AC, what we get? We get a chord AC. That is, if we have the circle, then this chord will be separating the two parts of the circle. This part will be known as the major segment, whereas this part will be known as the minor segment. Now, unless stated otherwise, we will always be denoting the sector to represent the minor sector, and similarly the segment will be, the word segment will signify the minor segment. Now what is the area of a sector? Friends, if we have a circle, the area of the circle is pi r square units. We already know this from the previous video. Moreover, we have learned this formula in lower classes also. Now this complete circle involves 360 degree angle. Therefore, for 360 degree angle, the corresponding area is pi r square. So what for 1 degree angle? It will be 1 by 360th part. That is, for 1 degree angle, it will be 360 degree in denominator. So for theta degrees, what will it be? It will be pi r square by 360 degree into theta. That is, area of a sector, which generally means or always means minor sector in these and upcoming videos, with an angle theta, will be pi r square over 360 into theta. Now similarly, what is the circumference of the perimeter of the sector? We know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Therefore this belongs to 360 degree. Now for 1 degree it will be 2 pi r by 360, and similarly for theta degrees it will be 2 pi r over 360 degree into theta degrees centimeters. So the circumference of the sector is this. Let us have one question to be acquainted with this two formulas. The question says a circle of radius 21 centimeter an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find length of arc area of sector formed by arc, and lastly the area of segment formed by corresponding chord. The value of pi is given as 3.14. Even if the value of pi is not given, you can use 3.14 or 22 by 7 according to the situation. Sorry, here it is mentioned as 22 over 7. So how to solve this question? Friends, the question says we have a circle with radius 21 centimeter and an arc forms an angle of 60 degree at the center. So the OB will also be the radius, it will also be 21 centimeter. Firstly, we have to find out the length of the arc. Now see clearly OB, and let this point be C. Clearly OBCA is the minor sector. So length of arc is nothing but perimeter of this minor sector. Now what is the perimeter of a sector? We have calculated that perimeter of a sector is with angle theta is 2 pi r over 360 into theta. So length of this arc will be 2 pi r over 360 into theta, that is 60 degree. So it will be 2 into 22 over 7 into r, which is 21 over 360 into 60. This will be simplified as 22 centimeters. So this is the required first answer of the question. The secondly, it has asked to find out the area of the sector. Now we have calculated that area of the sector is simply pi r square over 360 into theta. So here it will be 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 60 over 360. So on simplifying, we will get the area of the sector as 231 centimeters square. The third part is an interesting part. It says find the area of segment. Now friends, the segment formed by the chord. If we join AB, then AB will be the chord formed. We have to find this area. We have to find this particular area. So, what is this area? The area of segment, minor segment, formed by chord AB is area of sector formed by arc ACB, this arc, minus, now this area that we have said here is the total area, that is this particular area, minus this area. So we will be subtracting this yellow portion from the area of sector. Now yellow portion is the area of triangle OBA. Friends, in triangle OBA, these two sides are equal, that is OB equals OA, which means by the property of isosceles triangle, angle B equals angle A. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle O is 180 degree, which is sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle A can be substituted, angle B can be substituted as angle A, and O has been given as 60 degree equals 180 degree. So 2 angle A, twice of angle A is 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. So angle A has come out to be 60 degree. Similarly angle B is nothing but angle A, so it is also 60 degree. The point here is that all the interior angles of this triangle are equal. Therefore it is an equilateral triangle. Thus we know for an equilateral triangle, area of triangle is under root 3 by 4 a square. Thus the area of minor segment will be equal to area of sector, that is calculated as 231 minus under root 3 by 4 side, which is 21 square. So it is 231 minus 21 square is 441 under root 3 by 4 centimeter squares. So this is the third part which was needed to be calculated. So using the simple formulas we can calculate area of major sector, the length of the arc, the area of minor sector, the area of segment, and so on. Let us clarify what a quadrant means. Friends, quad stands for 4. So quadrant is 1 by 4th part of a circle. Now friends, this is 4 quadrants. Now as a whole, this angle is 360 degree. Since quadrant divides circle in 4 equal parts, therefore each angle will also be divided in 4 equal parts, that is 360 degree by 4 will be each angle, or it will be 90 degree. So for quadrant the angle of sector is 90 degree. Thus a minor sector with 90 degree angle is a quadrant, and the major angle, the angle of major sector will be 360 minus 90 degree, that is 270 degree. Now a question says find the area of a quadrant of circle whose circumference is 44 centimeters. Now what is circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. Thus what is radius? It will be 44 over 2 pi, that is 44 divided by 2 into 22 into 7. So this cancels 44 and the radius comes out to be 7 centimeter. So the area of quadrant is nothing but the area of total circle into theta over 360 degree, because quadrant is also a sector. With this angle, the angle has 90 degree. So we can have the area as 22 by 7 into the radius, which is 7 into 7. Now theta is 90 degree here, the angle over 360 degree. 7 cancels this 7, this comes out to be 4, and so the area here is 77 divided by 2 centimeter squares, or we can convert this into decimals, which will come out to be 38.5 centimeter squares. So this was a brief discussion on sector, segment, arc, area and quadrant of a circle. Thanks friends for watching Edupedia Word videos.